Oh my goodness, this hair is luscious, glueless. The hairline is snatched. Do you hear what I'm telling you? And that lace, baby, that lace is skinning. Do you see? Come on now. You know when it's skinning and glueless, it's the bomb.com. Okay, I love this wig. It's definitely moving. It's lightweight and it's just so stinking beautiful. If you are looking for your next pre-cut lace wig, not having a snip nothing, not a frontal, just a nice decent wide closure type unit, definitely stick around, sis, because I'm gonna hook you up with this one right here, because this one is my baby. Hey y'all, it's your girl Carrie M here with another hair video. I'm super excited because the hair is mad cute. I know you see it, girl. We're gonna talk about it. So I'm Carrie M. If you are new to the channel, what's up and welcome to the channel. I hope you love it over here. If you do love it, like I think you're gonna love it, click on that pretty red subscribe button. And if you haven't subscribed already and you did not do that and you've been watching me, do that too, okay? Now, if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, you know what to do. Click on that notification bell. We're gonna talk about this hair, okay? So first of all, this unit was sent over from Ft.Beautyforever hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Whoop. She cute, y'all. You know when it's cute, I be acting a fool. We're gonna get into the details of all of that, okay? But here's a quick little spoiler alert, okay? I'm gonna save the juiciness and a full review towards the end of the video, but I'm gonna give you a little spoiler alert. Unit is lightweight. Unit is pre-cut, okay? The lace is pre-cut, you feel me? You ain't gotta do no cutting and none of that. It's ready for us. The hairline looks amazing, and baby, she lightweight. And it's hot outside, so she is perfect. But I'm going to get into all of the details. So let me go ahead and show you the cap construction. And I'm going to do a quick install because the unit is mad easy, y'all. I am telling you, easy, perfect for throw on and go. So let's jump into that. And then I'm going to tell you what I think about the unit. Let's go. Okay, so Ft.Beautyforever sent over their pretty red box full of goodies in here. So inside, we're going to run through it really quick. A quick little unboxing, okay? This, those, that's, and this. Okay, now let's get into the hair. All right, so boom, this is the hair, mad pretty. It's a 6 by 4.75 pre-cut lace. We don't gotta cut it. Glueless Jerry curl wig, 16 inches. Okay, I absolutely love the way the hairline is looking straight out of the pack. It is snatched to the guards. They got that lace cut for us, so baby, you don't have to look for that brow razor or them scissors, because baby, it's done for you. And as you can see up on my skin, the price, it's not too bad. The lace ain't too bad. It's actually looking pretty good, but I'm going to attempt it anyway because you know I like perfection, baby. As much as perfection as I can get, I'm going to get. Now, we got a comb right here. We got another comb on the other side and a bunch of space to mess with, okay? We have a comb in the back and the nape area. We also have an adjustable, removable elastic band to help with those glueless looks. And then at the very bottom on the nape area, we got that nice little rubber piece to help grip it. So this is what it looks like. Again, a nice and close up for you because that hairline is serving. They did that. Okay, your girl was happy after pack. I said, baby, I know this is going to be cute. So I did a little co-wash to get out any dead hair, get out any smells or all that stuff. Just get it nice and fresh for your girl. And I put in this Isha leave-in conditioning detangler. And then I just let it dry. So boom. This is the next day. And I want to show you what it looks like directly on my head. And this thing looks so stinking good. Now, remember, it is like, it's not a frontal. It's a 6 by 7, 4 by 6.75. Girl, I had to get that together. So we don't have any air tabs, which is great. Okay, great. So I'm gonna jump into this quick installation, and you can just see what I did to get this unit together. But I want to just tell you a couple things. You're going to get the full review and all my thoughts towards the end of the video, but I just want to tell you a couple things. This unit is my favorite unit at this moment, my favorite summer unit at this moment. Now, y'all know I've been doing them long units, but I needed something short. It is so hot these days, so hot. And I think this one is super summery. The style is just giving vacation hair, okay? And I had this hair in when I did my little hi Barbie, hi Ken video. You saw that little short right here on YouTube, okay? This is the hair. This hair is serving. It's dolled up. It's so stinking beautiful, so stinking beautiful. But y'all gonna get all of those details towards the end of the video, and it's super easy. Look at this. Look at this. That's the comb up under there. Did you know it was under there? It looks like it's on top of it. It's so transparent, so beautiful. Nice close up. Oh my gosh, I just love this wig so much. But I'm gonna give you the review anyway, even though you already know what I think about it. But let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start off with the first thing I always think about when I get a unit. I know this is everybody's first thought, okay? We're not gonna sit here and act like it ain't. Do it fit? Everybody be like, okay, but is it gonna fit? You pull that wig out the bag, you be like, okay, let me try it on. I hope it's gonna fit me. I got a big old head, and that's what I'm talking about. So let me show you. We do know that it's a closure unit. It's not a full frontal. So we do have a little bit of wiggle room to part the unit wherever you want. It does come up nicely. Y'all know it's glueless, so I can lift it up and do all that, okay? I'm just trying to show you. I'm showing off. It's glueless. And yeah, all of this is out because it's not a frontal, which is fine. Perfect fit, no air tabs, no cutting whatsoever. Absolutely nice, comfortable fit. If you do have a little bit of edges and you don't mind taking it out like I do, I would suggest it. It looks really, really cute, but you don't have to do too much. You don't have to take out too much hair. And honestly, this is the only hair that's taken out. The rest of this is all brushed back just nicely with some gel, if that makes sense. So it does fit me really, really nice. On average, 22.5 circumference is my head size. You know, most wigs say average and it fits that, but sometimes it don't be fitting me, so they get a pass in my book. However, I did find it more comfortable when I took out the adjustable elastic band on the inside. For some reason, baby, it be making my head feel like it's swollen because it just be feeling so tight and throbbing. So I took that out and I don't need it. I just got my wig grip on. We rocking it glueless, and we are here. So the unit fits really, really nice. If you have a big head, I don't think you have anything to worry about. Now, the overall style of the unit, looking at it now, is absolutely beautiful. Y'all know I am here for some juicy curls, some wet looks, some poofy looks. I love it all. This is so cute. Love the type of looks in the summertime, especially because you could get it a little wet and wear it with the wet look. You get it a little poofy. Perfect for vacation and just everyday. Just go, y'all. I'm telling you, like, it's just so cute. It goes with all the summer fits. The length is 16 inches, so it's nice. And it gives me a little length, a little past my shoulder, but it's not too long. It's not making me hot. And believe it or not, y'all, as juicy and full that this can become, you know, depending on how you style it, the unit is actually feathery and lightweight. Like, it weighs nothing. You're not going to feel too hot and you're not going to sweat too much in this unit. So that's a plus because it's hot in these streets. I do absolutely love the hairline. They did something with that hairline right there. I'm definitely not complaining at that hairline. That hairline looks really, really good. If you're going to give me some pre-cut lace, okay, we're going to need a nice hairline. Don't cut no lace if the hairline not popping, because it's like, what's the point? The texture, of course, is nice and soft to the touch. It feels really, really good. I have no issues with it. The shedding and tangling, didn't have it. Didn't do too much combing besides when I was just trying to define the curls, and I wasn't getting any just like glumps of hair. It's really, really nice. Holding its own. Y'all know I did prep the hair. I did like a little co-wash, and it had a little bit of string, a little dead hair, whatever. I don't know. That didn't make it through the threads and didn't stick. But it wasn't a lot. It was a very, very little bit. So I don't have any issues with that. The hair looks natural. It's just gorgeous. Like, it's just gorgeous. I don't really know what to say because you can just look at it and see that the hair speaks for itself. And that lace is beautiful, honey. The fact that it's glueless. The fact that it's glueless and it's just looking so great. It just looks amazing. The lace and the hairline together is what's giving the hair that perfect. Because when you get a closure and you can pull it back and it looks like, oh my gosh, who plucked that? It's amazing. Knots are small, so I didn't bleach the knots. Of course, if you bleach it, you're going to get a more realistic look, but you don't have to. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to, because I'm telling you, this looks good. This looks good the way it is. You saw the install. It was super duper easy. I didn't have to do anything, no pre-cutting, no lace, no nothing, y'all. Put a little foundation on it, slap it on your head, powder it apart, and if you want to get extra like me and swoop it back like that, then that's all that really matters. But aside from that, that's it. You can wear the unit straight into defined curls as it came from the package. If you're going to co-wash it exactly how it is after it dries, you don't have to do all the extras that I did. I'm an extra girl, so I'm going to do the extra. However, the wig is still technically a throw on to go because I could take it off and throw it back on tomorrow, take it off and throw it back on the next day. And that's the purpose of a throw on and go. And that's what I love. And it's cute and it serves its purpose, and it's going to rock me out for a lot of these summer days. If I had to rate this unit between a 1 through 10, I'm going to give it a 9. Okay, I'm gonna knock just 1 point off, and this is like so minor. It can be easily fixed, but I didn't want to. I wanted to wear the unit as they said. It's easy, pre-cut, throw it on and go. So I did it like that so we can see what it's gonna look like. But the only thing that I have an issue with is how straight across that cut is. The cut is so blunt. It is pre-cut, a little jagged, a little edge to it, or something would have kind of fixed me up a little better so it looked even more realistic. So aside from that, everything else is perfect. The unit is gorgeous, dolls. Gorgeous, darling. You already know all of the information, the direct link, any promo codes to help you save a little coin if I have one, is going to be linked in the description box for you. So go ahead and click in the description box. That about wraps up today's video. Y'all gonna have to let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this unit? Is it cute? Are you gonna be rocking her? What? Are you guys into these simple closure units with the pre-cut lace? I love it. I think it's genius. I think it makes my job a lot easier, because one thing that I do dread sometimes when it comes to putting on wigs is cutting that lace. You got to cut it right, get around your ear. Sometimes I don't want to do all that. Sometimes I want something easy. And also, if I am trying to be out the house, I don't have time for the melting down. If it's not melted down and I ain't sleeping in, I don't want to melt it down if I'm rushing, okay? I will do it some days, but not if I'm rushing. So something like this is just perfect. It's just ready to go. And she look good with or without makeup, girls. Have a nice little weekend. I don't know when this video's dropping. What am I talking about? Y'all know I rant. But yeah, ladies, let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and go, because I'm cute. Later, y'all. Bye.